Hola! How are you these days? I hope you are doing well. We have a great day today and we are blessed with a sunny day. I hope not one of you is feeling gloomy. If yes, I hope I and this episode will make you smile. Today, I will be unboxing just 2 items which I purchased via Shopee recently. They will be additional tools again for my roving veterinary practice. Please stay tuned! Hello once again! First, I will be unboxing this small orange packaging. This comes from a local supplier named Mike Online Store based in Makati City. You might be surprised why I need such a product. I will explain later. That's it! This is a heavy-duty SY brand soldering iron gun holder stand mount with a metal base. I decided to purchase this because I find it hard to keep my cauterizing pen in place whenever I would do surgeries. This stand mount will keep my cauterizing pen stable and in place right where I need it. For example, this is the cauterizing pen. As when I don't need it, I will just put it here. It is now stable in this stand mount. Gone are the days when my cauterizer will roll or even fall. This stand mount has other variations like a circular mount like this instead of this rectangular mount. I decided to get this type because I find this rectangular mount to be more stable as it has a wider base and this has a space to put in the sponge and where to clean the tip of the cauterizing pen. I have a scheduled surgery soon, that is why I am excited to use this already. Next, I will be opening this gray plastic package box. It comes from overseas. Guess where? As usual, from China again. This is a handheld manual negative pressure sputum collector or suction pump. Let's see. It comes with an instruction sheet, but unfortunately it is with Chinese characters, so I don't know much about this. So just to figure it out ourselves. So the color is white, the material is plastic. The liquid bottle contains at least 150 milliliters. It comes with this suction pump here, and we have 2 straws. At the tip of the straw, you will have 2 holes, so that's when you can have your suction for whatever sample you need coming from the nasal cavity or the upper respiratory tract of your patient. And this tip here would fit right close to the hub, right in this place. I will be using this device to collect nasal and upper respiratory airway samples from the patients which have recurrent or chronic respiratory infection. The sample will be submitted for bacterial isolation and antibiotic sensitivity testing for proper treatment. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button and bell so you get notified and stay updated with my vlogs. God bless everyone and keep safe always. So as when I don't need it, I will just put it here.